The strategies that we chose for stabilization were nuclear electricity, forest storage, CCS synfuels, biofuels, wind hydrogen, soil storage, solar electricity, and transport efficiency.
As our world grows, so do we, and the amount of emissions we have left. As our world grows, so do we, and the amount of emissions we let off. If more people drove efficient vehicles or we carpooled, our overall emissions percentage would be less. By cutting down carbon emissions can make transportation methods such as aviation, public buses, and personal vehicles.
Solar electricity will provide a source of CO2-free and renewable energy. It will also cut down on the amount of emissions let off into the atmosphere.
The soil storage protects the soil from carbon content. By doing so, the crops and other plants can grow properly and give off the oxygen they make.
Wind hydrogen is a process to produce hydrogen with wind electricity. One wedge of wind hydrogen can power half the world's cars, predicted for 2050 by using hydrogen.
When burned, biofuels can be used for transportation and heating. Therefore, the atmosphere's CO2 concentration will not rise. One wedge of this would scale up the world's ethanol production by a factor of 12.
CCS synfuels are extremely important to incorporate into our wedge because it captures and stores the CO2 emitted during synfuels production from coal. Forest storage is key considering deforestation adds between 1 to 2 billion tons of carbon into the atmosphere. Farming techniques increase carbon retention or storage in soil.
Nuclear electricity is displaced by coal-burning electric plants with nuclear plants. One wedge of this is about 3 times the effort France put into expanding nuclear power in the 1980s, sustained for 50.